What can I do if my GoPro recording time is limited to 5 minutes?
Hey there, GoPro enthusiasts! Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing a common issue some GoPro users face: limited recording time to just 5 minutes. If you're frustrated with this constraint, don't worry. We have some solutions for you. Let's dive right in.
Adjusting settings.
The first thing you can do is adjust the settings on your GoPro to maximize the recording time. By default, some GoPro models have a feature called looping that automatically splits your video into smaller segments. This can be handy for action shots or continuous recording. However, it limits the duration of each segment to 5 minutes. To extend your recording time, you can disable the looping feature. Go to the settings menu on your GoPro, navigate to the video settings, and look for the looping option. Make sure it is turned off. This will allow you to record longer videos without being limited to 5-minute segments.
Adjusting video resolution and frame rate.
Another way to increase your recording time is by adjusting the video resolution and frame rate. Higher resolution and frame rates result in larger file sizes, which can limit your recording time on a GoPro. By reducing these settings, you can extend your recording duration. Access the video settings on your GoPro and lower the resolution and frame rate to values that suit your needs. While it's great to have high-quality footage, sometimes compromising on resolution and frame rate can be a worthwhile trade-off to capture longer moments without interruption.
External power source.
If you find that adjusting settings doesn't provide sufficient recording time, you might want to consider using an external power source. GoPro cameras typically rely on their internal battery, which has a limited capacity. By connecting your GoPro to an external power bank or an AC power adapter, you can bypass the battery limitations and record for extended periods. Ensure you have the appropriate cables and adapters to connect your GoPro to the external power source. This way, you can capture all the action without worrying about the battery draining and interrupting your recording.
Multiple memory cards.
When recording with a GoPro, the available memory card space can also affect your recording time. If you're using a small capacity memory card, it may fill up quickly and limit your recording duration. To address this, consider using multiple memory cards. By swapping out full memory cards for empty ones, you can continue recording without interruption. Make sure to have a few spare memory cards readily available, and when one card gets filled, replace it with an empty one to keep recording for as long as you need. And there you have it, folks. If you're frustrated with your GoPro's limited recording time of 5 minutes, there are several solutions at your disposal. Remember to adjust your settings, lower video resolution and frame rates if necessary, consider using an external power source, and have multiple memory cards on hand. With these tips, you can make the most out of your GoPro and capture those epic moments without being restricted by a short recording duration. Thanks for watching, and happy recording!